Welcome back, guys. We're going fishing again. This time I got Jared with me today. Should be a lot more fun than just by myself. We got a kayak ready. Pretty sweet. Jared's kayak. Let's show you guys these when it gets more daylight. But we made these out of PVC to hold our cameras up. Pretty sweet. We're gonna head out and see if we can catch a lot of catfish today. So stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so we're out here. Oh dude, there's a little bass right there. Anyways, we are out here. Super nice morning. Jared already caught a channel cat, which is sweet. Just got my rods and rod holders. I just put this one on here, trying it out. Screwed it in there. It's pretty solid, so should work pretty sweet. And then we made these GoPro holders. They're literally PVC pipe. I just melted it, smashed it. The same thing on this end. And then found a bolt that I just found this random flat bolt in our. We have a bolt box back at home and just ground off both edges a little bit, slid right in there. And then another thing, another little tip is if you don't want to buy scuttle plugs, these things work great. They're just the rubber things you put on the bottom of like a folding chair. And so we got some more of those. They're only like $2 for a pack of 4 instead of like 13, 14 bucks. Yeah, save some money there. Jared got a bunch. His are farther down in, so what we did with his was just made a hole and put a little string through it so he could grab the string and pull it out. Yeah, it's working great. But anyways, guys, should be able to catch a lot of channel cats today. Already got one on the board, so stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna head back in a little farther in this cove, see if we can catch some channel cats by these cliffs. Just drop our worms down by the rock cliffs and see if we can catch any that way. So see you there. Got a fish. Okay, that's a little small. Green sunfish. Jared's already got a channel cat. We moved back here by the zoo. Nice. Don't reel up too far. Nice. That is sweet. Dude, that's a way better one. Sweet, guys. Oh, this is so sweet. I've learned that if you cast right on a point of reeds, like where it kind of comes out a little bit into the lake, it works almost every single time. It's crazy. Sweet, second channel cat. I haven't even caught any yet, but I think I'll catch one here soon. Oh, that's a good one. Pretty good one. The shell cracker. Oh, nice. Oh yeah, dude. Nice. Oh, that was fun. Nice shell cracker. Sweet. Huh? He like opened his mouth like wide open. He did that. Alright guys, I got something on here. This is where I dropped my pliers back here. And I didn't get back to... Yes! Oh, I got my pliers back. It's a little stiff and grimy. Yes. Oh yes. I'm so happy. I can't believe I caught it. And like literally that was my third throw. Sweet. Just had a bite on this pole, guys. I had a good bite and then I chucked it back. I went to turn on the camera and I was bending it down pretty good and I went to grab it and he was already off of it. So I don't know. And so I chucked it back out there again and he nailed it like almost as soon as it hit the bottom. I've got him this time. Oh yeah, we got it.
You got video?
Yeah. Oh yeah, we got a channel cat, boys. Finally. Oh, it's a pretty good one, I think. Actually, it's pretty small, I think. Way out there, dude. Oh yeah. Come here, buddy. Oh, it is a tiny one.
Huh?
It's a tiny one. Dude, yeah, way out there. Fun. Finally. Right in the corner of the mouth. Perfect. Yeah, buddy. Nice little channel cat. It's a dink, but it's still a ton of fun on those little rods. Sweet, we just been getting bites out here like crazy and we finally hooked up. Maybe we could get a bigger one out there. Bye, little buddy. Got him. Alright guys, got a channel cat. Oh, he's all tangled, I think. Oh, he swallowed it. Dude, he's a white one. Just a little dink. Alrighty guys, so we went swimming for a bit because it was super hot. So now we're a bit refreshed and we're just fishing here. I actually bumped my bass rod that was in here, bumped it and it fell out behind me and I couldn't get turned around in time and it just sank. And my magnet won't even reach to the bottom right there because it's so deep where I dropped it. So that really stinks, but anyways, found my pliers, lost my rod. But Jared just got a bite on his bowl. We're just kind of sitting here by these reeds. Kind of just casting out. We've had a lot more luck today just casting out farther instead of we usually fish like close to the reeds. And yeah, we got, I don't know how many a day, like 5, but yeah, see how many we can catch before we have to go, so stay tuned. We are moving to a different area. Should we try this spot again? Where? Had a few bites at the other spot, didn't really catch much. Didn't catch any channel cat actually. I think we should try right in here again. I think we should try right in here again. Unless you want to go fish shell crackers. Maybe we'll try like out farther right here. Jared's all sleeping. I went and bumped his pole when he wakes up really fast. I didn't think he'd actually wake up. I wasn't sure. Let's see if we can catch some channel cats. This is my little tie-off deal. Works pretty good. About $1 per clamp at Harbor Freight. That's the way I like to do it. Gotta cast the old rod that I'm not very good at casting because I don't use bait casters very much. Literally, this is like all we use is just plain hot dog with a little circle hook, and we catch a lot of channel cats that way. No weight, no nothing. All right, guys. So I'm trying this new rig. I got a bobber stopper knot tied on my string, and it's holding my hot dog off the bottom a little bit with a bobber. There it is again, Jared. It's getting hit. There we go. So it's holding it all off the bottom a little bit because it's really mossy down there. And so I'm already getting a hit. I just threw it out there because I was thinking like it's just sitting in the bottom in the reeds, and it'd be better if it was up where the fish are, probably more so. It's getting hit a lot out there. There it is again. Dude, yeah. Alright guys, so Jared's getting bites right out there. There, he's taking it again. He's going. There he goes. Dude, yeah. Let him go. Maybe reel in some slack if you can, just real slowly. There he's taking it again. Alrighty guys, so had some more bites and bobbers, did not get any in. Came back here, fished for bluegill with worms and stuff, caught a bunch. That was fun. Just nice, calm, peaceful back here. So yeah, had a pretty good day. Probably go back and head back to the truck. It's almost like a mile of paddling. Pretty sure it's a little over a mile all the way back in. But it shouldn't take us too long. Get back to the truck, load up, maybe do some magnet fishing. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, but we'll see you soon. Alrighty guys, so we made it back to the truck. Did a little bit of magnet fishing, didn't find anything. Yeah, we're gonna load up and head home. So I think we caught probably around what, 8, 9 channel cats. Probably the biggest one we caught was the one Jared caught on his little tiny pole, which was sweet. I was really hoping he could. That was the first one he actually caught on his. He just got that pole, it's new and the reel. So yeah, well, hope you liked this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit me a thumbs up and make sure to turn on that notification bell. And as always guys, thanks for watching.